Alright, welcome to Multinext. In this tutorial, we'll be teaching you how you can manage and license your 2026 Revit. So it is not an easy task because the way Revit has structured their software of late. So I'm going to take you step by step towards that aspect. So let's say you have a Revit and anytime you click, and this is what you get. So let it load. And you have a console like this is what you see. It's asking you a question, try fashion, try again. So like according to the download, so you say network license, and you have all this. All you just do is to type local host. So you say done. So another reason you see network license not available. So do not panic. It is in this particular tutorial I'm going to teach you. I'm going to take you to everything, and you get it done straight up. So follow through. Before that, you can come to my channel, Multinext Design. In this channel, we have already built a lot of tutorial. We now have more than 7,000 subscribers, more than 2,000 videos uploaded, everything completely Revit without missing out with anything. So we have a lot of sorts to attract. If you are meeting all this one, the reason why we are doing sorts is just like advertisements. All this sort will link you to a normal video that you can watch. So but there is a video that we have already done in their own way. So if you just to come to the page and see in details, so you see the way everything is unfailing, so like that. But the first method for you to learn is you go to playlist or you go to course. We have playlists of different kind of, but the playlist at times may be a mixture of something, but the best is that you go to course and start learning one by one. So everything has been put in order. Like this now, this hospital, we have 11 lessons there completely from beginning to the end that we arrive at this level. So we have 11 courses. The same thing we have with in this place, Revit project tutorial. The same thing we have in the modeling. Same thing we have with the duplex. The same thing we have with this modern design complete tutorial. So same thing with this step by step as well. So everything I've been in the detailed form. So all you just need to do is to select. So let me give you an example how you can do it. Like this one, I select this. When you select this one, this pop up. So what you do is that this drop down. We're going to focus on this drop down and start learning from one. So you say Revit tutorial complete, how to create those things. So concept number one. So everything is being labeled so that I guide you through step by step until the last part. So you understand. So that is one. Go back there. Let us go. Let me show you another one. Like this particular one too. Now is how to create duplex. So you click on it again. From there, you see the drop down. You see, this is the drop down. You'll be able to start from beginning. So that's number two. So you come to let me just show you this one particularly. So if you have them like that, this is it. And sometimes you may decide you may not see this one, and this thing is hiding when you click. So just click on the drop down. See next project tutorial. So you click on this drop down, and this will drop down for you. You'll be able to look at it. So the goal is that you start learning Revit in a beautiful way. So individually, you start building yourself up from here. You don't have to pay anything to anybody. If you focus on this course and give yourself time, you will learn. After you have downloaded and you have your license, so you can learn it as a student, can learn as a before some of the architects, you can use some of this project to build up your portfolio, and it will help you out to grow. So we have a lot of things that we have done here in this particular project. So that's just what I want to say before you proceed to the further thing that you want to do. So what you do, you type Revit, download Revit on your browser. So Revit 2026, you download. So what you just do is that this will take you to the Autodesk. You're going to see Autodesk free trial, and you see some other tutorial that you can work on. So go to Autodesk file and say click on Autodesk. So this will upload and you have it in. So in this particular free trial, you are going to click download. So after you download it, is then you're now going to work on. So after you click on say download free trial, you click on it. It will definitely start to take you there. So if you have a step of becoming whether the business you want or what, I will encourage you to download education. You click on education. So education community, if you're a student, if you're not a student, all you just need to do is to sign in from here. So click on signing in. So like mine, I have account with them, so it's more easy for me to do. So you just click on sign in with Google. So any of your account that you want to use any of them. So I'm going to use any of this one that I have with me. So I'm going to use I have this one, I'm using this one. So I'm going to use that and click. So I'll click continue with it. So you're going to sign into the Autodesk for me. So sending email, so I have it with them already. So the code has been sent to my email. So you check your email to grab that. So after you have downloaded everything you've done, you follow the system and it will be downloaded and you download that free trial. So after then, license manager. Okay, click on this. Search for. So yeah, for the network license manager system requirements. So you have system OS 2003 require this one. So it depends on what you are looking for. So you download Autodesk License Manager. So what you do is that you can click on this individual after you've done what you need to do. Yeah, installation for individual. So we'll click on administrator. So you click on install license manager for Windows. So what next is you download and install the most recent Autodesk license manager OS for the server. So if you already have it, or if you don't have it, this is where you come to. So what you do to install them, download it from the window here. So you click on this. If you have it for the window, if you are using Mac, different. So you click on this for the window. So it asks you which version do you need. So it could be old fashioned or something. So just click on like this one. This one you need to click on for window 11. If you support the operating system of Network License Manager, that is window 11, window 10, window server 19, so things like that. So you click on this. If you're using Mozilla Firewall, click on install file and select the option save as. This is where you come to download. So I downloaded for you. So that's how you download the file manager. So I have it in my file. We go back there and do the net file. So that's what you do, and that's how you get the license manager. So the license manager, after you install it, it's the one that will transform everything and change it quite well to what you want. So now after you have downloaded the license manager software, so what you come to download automatically. I've already got my own, so just in the license manager application. So this is what I have. So this is exactly what we downloaded, and this is what we are going to use to create what we need to create. So this particular one will help you to get it right, and after you have done it, so you should be able to use your Revit and get it perfectly installed. So what you need to do first before you go far, so you need to first of all go to your just say security. So your Windows security, make sure you disable some of those things that are what threats to those applications. So after which you have done it, you can return them back to the normal. So on my own now, I always have it disabled except when I want to go on the internet and do whatever I want to do. So that's all you do. But if you have it in common that it's a threat to you, all you just need to do is to go to virus and threat protection. So what you go to come here, you say manage. So from the manage, you'll be able to turn off the because this is the main thing, lead time protection. Make sure you turn it off. So the second one is the so after you're done with this one, then you go on further to look at those things, some of them that control folder and every other thing that you need to look at. If there's none, then you come to this. Then from here now you'll be able to do what you need to do. Fireworks is on, so you click here. So you'll be able to turn it off. Understand? So every other one that you need to do again, you go back there and then domain network. So whatsoever that is needed, you just block them temporarily. After you have installed them finish perfect, you do the same thing here too. So after you have installed them finish, you can come back here and go and do that. So let's quickly do and go back and go and do what we need to do. So we'll disable most of them now. So I'm going to go back here and if I click on this and I'll say run administrator. So it's going to be and the publication is starting all the way through. So you don't need to wait too much on this and just like leaving this area and let everything continue to boost itself. So you wait preparately and let this thing continue until it's done. So once it's done, that gave you the actual information that I am done. You're going to see it there. So after the installation, what you just need to come back to this and say, click on this, click on and say run as administrator. Say okay, run as administrator is how you continue to open the work. So 2026 is popping up. Revit work. So use it. This interface has opened. Right. So everything come up completely. Revit 2026 recently defined the search bar, the introduction of the new search bar, and some of the existing files. So if you have this, can decide to create a new file of yours. So just use matrix multidisciplinary, then you say okay. Alright, so new file is open, we have selected graphic text preview and some of the objective, everything that is needed for completion. So that is how it fits interface. You make sure so if you want to use any form of work, you click on work, you select from there, and then you pick different type according to select, you draw, so it's your choice. So just like to introduce that to you. So you can go to education, structure, everything. So it's education architecture. So from here you can be able to make sure that you rearrange and realign all your everything. So if you want to create another one, you go back there and say create similar and create more. So it's functional and perfectly okay and good. So this is a Revit 2026 for your home use. So you get a 3D as well. You understand? So you can still change a few texture and also. So all those things are still very much okay and interesting. So this is it. Alright, so after then you can now go back to your security setting by just click on the security. So in the security, so those one that you put on the whole data, so you begin to put them back by clicking on the touching on them, so that you come back, go to Firewall. So all those ones that they're not back, you can now one by one begin putting them back, so you put them back and you return your system back to normal. So that is just it for maybe 2026. So see you in according to most of what you have seen on our page. God bless you.